So, installing signal gantry at Eindhoven station. I need a gantry with 3 signals for the 3 tracks at this station. So I've pre-built the gantry roughly to the prototype. Three aspects: signals. I've drilled some holes. Just check again. And a bit lower. And a bit lower than this. So let me check. What's the issue with the hole on this side? I'll come back. I think the hole needs to be just a little bit larger than I originally intended. Let's just check, see. Okay, that's got it. It's roughly the height I need. Looks straight. Okay, now I need to feed through all the wires. These are telephone wires, which are 4 threads. And I can hit a telephone jack on the end and easily install them, as you saw in a previous video. Okay. Okay, carefully pull through the join pieces. Alright, that's one. Now I'll do the 2 others and then we'll take it from there. Alright, I've got the wires all through the baseboard now. There we go. Okay, it looks about level and about straight. Hot glue or put some glue down through the holes to get this firmed up. So that's it in place. Below the baseboard, got the wires coming out. Now I need to thread these around the back there and into the telephone jacks there of the decoder box. I've got 2 signals hooked up already, and now I'll get those hooked up as well. Okay. Okay, I'm now going to hook up the seins. I've got the 3 cables coming through. They need to hook up to the telephone jacks here. So first we'll cut them to the right length, approximately there. And then cut them to the right length for the telephone jack. You've got the little, got the wires in protruding correctly so that you can stick on a telephone jack. Let me just check the orientation again. Black on that side. So just fit telephone jack. Get our tool. Squeeze. And we've got our 4 wires hooked up and just clip them in like that. Okay, I'll do the 2 others and come back. Okay, I've got the last jack hooked up, and this is the last one. There we go. So we've got 5 signals now hooked up to the decoder. Close up. Okay, we've been, or we, the royal we, I've installed the gantry now. The lights are on. I've hooked it up to the decoder. The system is on. So I can just manually check operation of the signs. Green, yellow, red, that one's working. The middle one, green, yellow, red, and the far one, green, yellow, red. So the side is working. Also hooked it up to the automated system, so now we can watch the gantry sign work with the automated operation with the trains passing by. This is the gantry here with the 3 signs, and then over on the main line here I've installed 2 signs, one on the main, the rear one, and one on this branch line that's still needs to be built, as it were. So we can now test these signals with trains running by. There are a couple of trains on their way to Eindhoven and beyond. First off is a morning local freight heading through Eindhoven, so it should get a clear signal to pass through Eindhoven. There's no reason for it to stop. And after that, the city is on its way, and it will need to stop at Eindhoven. So we should see the signaling take care of that. The middle signal's showing a limited clear. So the freight train will be heading up the middle track. And now it's got a full clear to head on through the station. And of course, once it's passed this sign, the signal is set back to block. Looks like we might get a meet here at Eindhoven. The freight will usually stop on the freight siding here, the bypass siding. Normal operations, it would stop here and service the industries here at Eindhoven. In the meantime, the intercity is coming in to arrive on the inside track. It will have a short stop here in Eindhoven to pick up and drop off passengers, of course. Now it's got a full clear, so it's heading back off. It'll now head off to Venlo, the next stop on its journey. And the goods train is heading off northbound back to Yard, presumably. Okay, the signals, the gantry seem to be now fully integrated, and we'll get on to the next project, whatever that might be. Bye all.